You start strong. Day 1, you're pumped. Day 7, you're still going. But by week 3, you're back to your old habits. Sound familiar? Here's why this keeps happening and how you can finally break the cycle. Most people think consistency is all about willpower, that if you just try harder, you'll magically stick to new habits. But that's not true. The real reason you struggle isn't motivation or discipline. It's because you're trying to change your actions without changing your identity. Think about it. When you say, "I want to work out every day," you're still seeing yourself as someone who doesn't work out. You're fighting against your own self-image, and your brain will always win that fight. Here's what's actually happening. Every habit has 3 parts: the cue, the routine, and the reward. But there's a 4th part almost everyone misses: your identity. When you try to build a new habit, you're asking your brain to act like someone you don't believe you are. Your brain sees this as a threat and pushes back. That's why it feels so hard to stick to new habits. You're literally fighting yourself. People who stay consistent don't have more willpower. They've just changed how they see themselves first. So how do you fix this? 3 steps. Step 1, start with identity, not behavior. Instead of saying, "I want to work out every day," ask yourself, what would a fit person do? Then do that even if it's just for 2 minutes. Step 2, use the 2-minute rule. Make your habits so tiny you can't fail. Want to read more? Read 1 page. Want to meditate? Meditate for 2 minutes. The goal isn't the habit itself, it's proving to yourself that you're the type of person who does this thing. Step 3, track your identity, not just your actions. Every time you do the habit, you're casting a vote for who you want to become. Keep score of these votes. After 10 workouts, you're not someone trying to get fit, you're someone who works out. Let's see this in action. Sarah wanted to wake up early but kept hitting snooze. Instead of focusing on the wake-up time, she focused on becoming someone who starts their day intentionally. She set her alarm just 5 minutes earlier and immediately made her bed. That's it. After 2 weeks, she naturally started waking up earlier because she saw herself as someone who starts her day right. The behavior followed the identity change, not the other way around. Now it's your turn. Pick one tiny habit you want to build. Ask yourself, what type of person would do this naturally? Start acting like that person for just 2 minutes a day. Drop a comment below with the identity you're choosing to build. Are you becoming someone who reads, exercises, or creates? And if you want more no-fluff self-development, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll tackle the biggest mistake people make when changing their lives.